Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is AFIQ SYAMEL bin ZAINALABIDIN, metric number B0919104996. Today I would like to present the Project Management and Supervision BMMI3244. For the company introduction, GLASFIL is one of the leading manufacturers in Malaysia. It offers customers a one-stop solution for mold fabrication and plastic injection. GLASFIL one-stop solution includes in-house design, tooling expertise, providing professional part design and drawing according to the most exacting specification, in-house trial and submit sample for customer approval to maintain our top quality assurance. Moving on to the organization chart, the first position is the CEO. CEO are responsible for managing company's overall operation. This may include delegating and directing agendas, driving profitability, managing company organizational structure, strategy, and communicating with the board. Moving on to the second position, which is the planner. Planner oversees a variety of different employees and departments within the supply chain to ensure that the overall process runs smoothly. Moving on to the HR executive. HR executive will be company CEO, which plan HR initiatives that will benefit the company and encourage more efficient and beneficial works from employees. They also direct all hiring and training procedures for new employees. They also monitor employees' progress and stay abreast on company climate and culture. For the production engineers are responsible for supervising and improving production at plants and factories. They also support engineering team, draw up safety protocols, report issues to the manager, and develop strategies to improve efficiency and profits. For the operation manager oversees operational activities at every level of an organization, training employees and managing quality assurance programs, and strategize process improvements to ensure everyone complete their tasks on schedule. For the R&D perform research and development duties for their companies. They also create new product or redesign existing company product. They also develop innovation to elevate the organization position in their industry and market. For the sales engineer supporting sales executive with solution selling into prospect account base. They also modeling the financial business case associated with each sale opportunity. Moving on to the purchaser buy goods, tools and equipment for their own company or for resale to customer. Purchaser work full-time doing market research, inventory monitoring, and various other duties within the office. For the quality control, check the quality of incoming and outgoing material of product for a company, as well as the production procedures. This job involves tasks such as running tests, keeping a record of defects, analyzing products, and overseas procedure. Last but not least, the accounting, financial reporting, billing, collections, payroll, and budget preparation. They also do the monitoring and analyzing accounting data and procedure. Next, for the output and production target, the following picture is the production target and output for TT101 product. TT101 product takes 6 days to reach the set target. As you can see on 30 March 2022, the cycle time to produce the part is 45 seconds, and the company plan to produce the product to 3,440 pieces. So the hours running is 21 hours and 50 minutes. So after we run the product, the machine count already produced the product to 3,736. The adjustment reject is 10, quality reject short is also 10, and the finalized is the actual amount of product that we produce is 3,726 pieces. Now, this is the flow of our company for scheduling the project. The first step is consultation, and then moving to the first draft of product sketching. Then we get the prototypes. Then we do the tool drawing, tool fabrication, tool testing, and then we have the product approval by the QC. Then moving on to the in-house assembly, go to the packaging, and lastly shipping. Improvement of project. First, create slack time into schedule to avoid any issue that can affect any task on schedule. Monitor production output and ensure the production process runs smoothly. Last, ensure a sufficient amount of manpower to increase production efficiency. For the project management technique, this project uses PERT, which is the Program Evaluation and Review Technique. It uses a technique of planning and control time within operation. It best suited for a high precision time estimate and mostly deal with unpredictable activities. The project also uses a Kanban method where the project's workflow is broken down into smaller tasks. These tasks are then organized and displayed so everyone on the team is aware of the project progress. For the flow of controlling the project, first we're receiving the order and then moving on to the product drafting, which is at the R&D department, and then moving on to the prototype approved by the customers, and then create the production schedule, which is the planner job, and then product produce, and then moving on to the quality control, and after that the finished goods, packaging, and lastly shipping. For the improvement on project, first develop a communication plan. Communication is a crucial part of any successful project team. Next, establish how to communicate with client and team, then set the expectation ahead of time. Address any problem and mistake that can delay the process and determine method that can counter it. For the project management technique, this project uses CPM, which is the critical path method, which is used in estimating and monitoring a project's overall duration. Estimate the total project duration by adding together the length of the longest sequence of tasks. Monitoring and controlling tasks on the critical path help team deliver production on time. Next, moving on to the minute meeting. As you can see, this is the example of our minute meetings, and there are some improvement that can be used. The first is to be specific when it really counts. Certain type of information demand careful specific treatment. For instance, the minute taker should record motions as actually stated. If the group makes a major decisions, include a synopsis of the discussions, debates, and conclusions rather than a vague account. Next, keep meeting short, which is having short meeting is an essential component to improving our team's efficiency. An agenda tends to expand to whatever time limit is set for a particular meeting. So feel free to give your meeting a hard stop whenever it feels right.